Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown here to slow it down. In this tutorial, we will create an effortless comparison table. We will show you to craft dynamic, visually appealing tables to compare products, services, or any datasets with ease. Let's dive in. First thing first, let's create a table. Add your table title and your columns and rows. Here as I just used 5 on 5 and I will just add rows and columns as needed as I go. Here, I am adding a sample name of the table, then merge the cells like so. Then change alignment, and added the data on the table. Change the headers to bold. You can adjust, customize your table on your liking or according to your theme. Here, I have downloaded a check icon and uploaded it to our library to use as a checkmark. You can use any icon you like, just as long as it goes with your theme. Now here, I selected the cells with icon and changed their alignment to center. Don't forget to hit save. Here, I am making a few adjustments for the table title. Change the font size and color, then hit save. I then copy the shortcode and paste it on my page. Supsystic Data Table plugin empowers you to create professional comparison tables with ease. Explore its features and start crafting your own tables today. Only in Supsystic.